Here's an easy way to deal with planer snipe. If you've got some boards you want to plane down and you don't want any snipe on them. Snipe is where it overcuts a little bit on the start and on the end. What I do is I cut a piece of scrap, pretty much the same material as what I'm planing, make it the same thickness, and then use that to start the cut and run the board continuously through, and then use this to finish the cut as well. What I'll do is I'll demonstrate that right now. Turn on my dust collector. Everything's spin down a little bit. Now let's have a look at these. Pieces. All right, I moved the camera over for a closer look. I got my straight edge here, which is a framing square, and I don't know if you can see it easily, but there isn't any snipe at all on any of these boards. Front or back. So that's the quick and easy way of avoiding snipe. It doesn't have to be the problem that people make it out to be. All you need to do is plan ahead, run your stock through continuously, and use the sacrificial piece. See if there's any snipe on this. Yes, you can see. It's like a 32nd of an inch. And that's it. Thanks for watching.